Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Ravindra for Students. In this video, I'm going to tell you about what is NPTEL course, what is its demand and importance, along with how to select the particular NPTEL course, and finally how to enroll for the NPTEL course. Already students, we know that the NPTEL has released the final list of courses enrolled for the duration of July to December 2021. Now, let us go to the video. So, let me tell you about the NPTEL very quickly. NPTEL, National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, is a project funded by MHRD Government of India with the 7 IITs and IISc Bangalore initiation. And the NPTEL has covered the courses in three streams: engineering, science, as well as humanities. Also, now the NPTEL is doing the course materials. Now, coming to some statistics of the NPTEL. So the NPTEL YouTube channel has the most subscribed educational channel in the India. It has 1 billion views and 42 plus lakhs of subscribers. That indicates that the huge demand of the NPTEL courses in our country. Then it is having more than 56,000 hours of video content in its YouTube channel, and it is most accessed library of peer-reviewed educational content in the world. And there are 52,000 plus hours of transcribed content and 51,000 plus hours of subscribed videos in NPTEL. Then coming to some other statistics of NPTEL, NPTEL is having as of now 2,000 plus courses and 1 crore plus enrollment, and in those 1 crore the exam takers are 11.8 lakhs plus, and finally the earned certificate holders are 5 lakhs plus. So all this was happened from March 2014 to June 2021. So by seeing the statistics itself, we can understand the importance as well as the demand of NPTEL courses. Viewers, no doubt NPTEL courses are having a huge demand in the present days of the pandemic, because nowadays only online learning is the only source. Now in that area, the NPTEL is doing an excellent job. Now coming to the selection of NPTEL courses, which plays a major role. So for that, I have already downloaded the Excel sheet provided in NPTEL website as on yesterday, that is 10/7/2021 at 6 p.m. So there are already 523 courses in various disciplines were already finalized, and the joining dates, exam dates, everything was finalized, and all these 523 courses are open to enroll. Students, remember, for the enrollment and for the watching of NPTEL videos, you no need to pay any amount. It is totally free. Only if you want to get the certificate, then for the certificate getting, you have to write the examination. So for that examination only, you have to pay an amount of 1000 rupees for one course, and you can register for maximum of 6 courses, remember, and you have to attempt the maximum of 6 courses in this slot, July to December 2021. Right, coming to the selection. So here in the selection, you are having three major types of durations, periods. So first one is 4 weeks, second one is 8 weeks, and third one is 12 weeks. First of all, you have to decide the course title, whether it is programming in C, or whether it is electromagnetic theory, or you want any other subject. That depends on various factors. For example, if you are having some six subjects already you are studying in a particular college, then out of the six, if you are having any subject is difficult for you, so in order to enhance that subject knowledge, you can enroll for the same subject. Or if you are having very familiar knowledge with all the six subjects, then you can enroll for the seventh subject, which is having some link along with these six. So like that, you have to select on your own criteria, right? Then coming to these durations, if you are an employer or if you are already selected for a company, then you can go for a short duration course, that is 4 weeks course. And if you are a student, if you want to get the full knowledge, if you want to study the course effectively, I personally suggest to go for 12 weeks course, or at least you have to go for 8 weeks course. Okay, so if you ask me strictly any one choice please, then my answer is you go for 12 weeks course. But as we have decided, first of all we have to see the NPTEL website there for what course, what duration was preferred. So for that I have provided here the information. So as of 10/7/2021 at 6 p.m. For this 523 total courses enrolled, so we are having 303 courses under 12 weeks duration and only 53 courses under 4 weeks duration and 162 courses under 8 weeks duration, and you are having 8 weeks plus 4 weeks also. It is a new duration, then we are having only 5 courses. So here, so that means 12 weeks course 303 means, so it is covering almost 58% or 60% of the total courses are coming under 12 weeks course. So that's why as a student you prefer 12 weeks course if possible. If it is not available under 12 weeks, then only you go for 8 weeks, right? Then if you are already a selected student for a particular company or you are an employer, to get the refreshment of the subject, then only you select a 4 weeks course, right? So for that, so my personal suggestion is you can go for 12 weeks course as a student to get the full knowledge in the subject. Now immediately we will go for how to select the subject, that is Excel sheet from the website, and how to enroll, so that we will see quickly without wasting the time.
First, let us open a Google Chrome browser to go to NPTEL website to download our list of courses. So, just type NPTEL, enter. The very first one nptel.ac.in, open it. Then here under the second heading you are having the B, final course list for July December 2021. Click there. Then it is giving the total finalized list of courses with all the details, course ID, discipline, course name, everything was given here. Then just click here to download the sheet. Then it is giving the download file. So let me open that file. Opening. Yes, in this Excel file, you just go through all the data given here, spend your own time. So in order to show you quickly, I am going very fast because it will become a very lengthy video otherwise. So here, so already have downloaded. Let me delete this row. Then here, so let me put a filter for this heading, that is the last colored heading. So from this we have to select a course which is the important role. So here find and select, sort and filter, yes, put a filter. Now here we are having, so under course name, so let's just select 2 or 3 rows and then control shift down arrow will select the entire column contents, and here we can observe that there are 523 courses already finalized by the NPTEL, as I have downloaded. Already I have told you in the previous slides, right? Now, so out of these previous slides, so now we want only 2 disciplines for the EC students. So for that, so let us go to this discipline column, then deselect all this, then select only the 2 related disciplines for EC students. The 2 related disciplines for EC students are computer science and computer science with mathematics. There are 2 courses, and you are having electrical and electronics engineering. Select those 3, then click OK. Then here under this we are having a total of 106 courses. Out of these 106, already you have decided how to select the course, and I have shown you already in the previous slides. So for that, so let us assume that here we have already decided, we have spent a lot of time to join for a particular course. For example, here I want to join for Java programming. Just click on the left side of that particular row, then slowly scroll to the right side, and there you can find, click here to join the course column, right? So under that you have to click on the particular link of that Java programming. it is FDP eligible also. For the faculty, you have to check whether it is FDP eligible or not. If there is yes in the column, it is eligible for right. After clicking that, you are having here programming in Java, we are having join button here, and learners enrolled as of now is 20,100, and here we are having the whole information about this course, the total summary, duration, everything was there, and here before joining you can watch this promo video by the particular instructor. So here the instructor for this course is this man, Debasis Samantha, his biodata and total course layout and what are the textbooks, references, everything was provided here. Please go through without missing any line. Please go through. So here I am going somewhat fast to show you fastly. Now after this, just click on join. Then here after clicking on join, if you are the first time enroller for the NPTEL courses, then you have to fill all these details, name, mobile number, email, all these details you have to fill, because already I am enrolled for the many courses in NPTEL. So my data was saved by the NPTEL and SWAYAM website. Here if you see, it was directed to the SWAYAM portal. So in this SWAYAM portal you have to fill this form and you have to select your college name as the local center, that is Sri Venkateshwara Engineering College, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Carefully do that and put a tick marks for the last two fields here. One is for terms of service, another one is honor code. Then click on review and join the course. Then it is, join me into this course. Immediately we got this message here, thank you for registering for the course. Click the announcement tab for important information. So let me close here. So this is our course joined page in the SWAYAM and NPTEL portal. See here both the symbols, SWAYAM and NPTEL, both the symbols are appearing here. So this is the way of joining into the course, right. So once you have joined here, you are having all the data, announcements about the course, ask a question. If you are having any doubts, you can interact directly with your instructor and your co-friends who have already joined into the course. So all this will becomes into your email directly, yes or no. So like that you can join into the course. Then you can have the progress, you can attempt the quizzes, assignments, and what is the score you have scored. So all those details you can see in that under this progress bar, and any mentor was allotted for that particular course, so that mentor details will come here. So for this course no mentor was assigned, so it is empty here. And before that you watch all these demo videos. There are n number of all the required demo videos, how to access the content, how to join, how to follow the videos, everything provided in the form of videos here. How to attempt the assignments, MCQ assignments or paper and pen, everything was explained here. Please go through these videos. And then for the practice of assignment, here we are having week 0 assignment. Actually course was not started as of now, so the course will be started from 26 July. So before that for the practice you can attempt this quiz as week 0 quiz. So that quiz will be not considered for your assessment, just for practice only it has provided. So this is the way of joining. So let me sign out from this. As I have successfully joined into the NPTEL course, now we have to see the videos. So okay, successfully we have joined. Now how to go to the video watching directly. So for that let me close all the windows. Then so already we have registered in NPTEL. Now in order to view the videos and we want to see the announcement, any information you want, now directly go to the SWAYAM portal, not NPTEL, SWAYAM. Type SWAYAM, just enter. Here also the very first one, swayam.gov.in. So that is the website we need. So just click on that. Here you are having sign in option. Just click on sign in. Then here it is very important. So don't type any username or password here. So left side of this you are having Microsoft account, Google, Facebook. Just click on through Google. Click on Google. Then it will ask you to which mail ID you want the access. So you have to select here using which mail ID you have registered, you have enrolled, that mail ID only you have to select. Now I have selected my enrolled email ID. Then here I got my email ID, and after that you are having an arrow. Just click on that arrow, then go to My Courses. And go to My Courses. Here, see, I have already enrolled for electromagnetic theory, programming in Java, programming in C++, and now I shown you how to register, enroll for problem solving through programming in C. Already enrolled. Now I have shown you what is that, programming in Java. So if you want to go to that course, any course, you just click on that, go to course, then. So what was the page previously we have seen? So that page will come now again, right? Prerequisite videos. Then after that you are having week 0 assignment. If you want, you can attempt immediately after joining. Now in order to save your time, I am not going into all those details now. So this is the way. Here the same page, announcements about the course, ask a question, progress, mentor, a demo video, and the basic data about that particular course, instructor details, everything was provided here, and how to get the certification, everything was provided here. Just go through the site and read carefully all the instructions at your convenient time. So I hope this video was helpful for both enrolling as well as to watch the videos. So this is the way of both enrolling and as well as accessing the content from the NPTEL website.
Viewers, thank you very much for watching this long video. If anybody not subscribed to our channel, watching first time, please subscribe to our channel and like the video, share it to your friends, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the notifications if I upload any new video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.